equations. We're going to solve these. We'll start 5th grade. Yeah. I can't do that. Can you find a common denominator? Yeah? I go through this every year. It's kind of comical, but at the same time it's serious. In the past, I've had trigonometry classes and half the class didn't do it. I gotta make sure you can find a common denominator. Okay? What's the common denominator? How do you get it? Okay, so one way is just multiplying the other. Sometimes that creates a big mess, but just multiply them by each other. You'll end up with 18 over 30 and 10 over 30. Okay, so we have a common denominator, now we can work it. Add or subtract, right? In this case. So each, let me give you another one here. Let's see. If you just multiply the denominators, you're going to get a fraction you have to simplify, right? So what can I multiply these by to get? 20? You want to get 20, right? Yeah. So you're going to have to be able to do that, because if you don't put this in simplest form right away with these algebraic fractions, it's going to create a mess. And you're not going to like it. Okay, so if you have an opportunity to keep it simple, please do. Alright, so of course we end up with 8 over 20. Sorry, 25. Because I can multiply. So make sure we do common denominators in simple terms. We'll start with a simple one. If I need to solve this, this is actually a word problem from your book. Solve for P. Yeah. Is it scuba-diving or is it so how would I solve that function? Because the equation, because the b's in the bottom. Yeah, that's one way to do it. Those cancel, right? Now you can handle that one, right? Ready to finish it? Excellent. Thank you for that. Okay, you can distribute here, or you can divide over. Either one, doesn't matter. And then you can add and divide. Here we go. Okay. The answer is 70.78. Working it out. The reason I don't show it is because I've seen you guys do lots of algebra. Your goal is to get the variable out of the bottom. That's the goal there with fractionals. That'll be one of the easier ones. Let me give you a harder one. Yeah. Right? Yeah, this is where It's nasty. Solve plus now a little bit of that fast. I give up. Don't give up, please. Please don't give up. First thing I'm going to do is this. Make them all fractions. Now I need a common denominator. That's that's a great idea. If you can simplify that, do it. I'm leaving a lot of space here because that's where I'm going to put my denominators. Back to this bottom here. That's the difference of these squares. And you see what our common denominator is. Right there. If I have an a plus 1 here, that's already taken care of. And that's everything. Right, so I got to tack an a minus 4 on here and up here. Right? So I've not changed this fraction. That's like 4 over 4. And then I need both of them here, correct? Yeah. So let me move my a. So now I have a common denominator all the way across. Yep. And what that does allows us to just say bye-bye to the denominator. In effect, you're multiplying each side by the denominator, and it basically disappears. So, without being magic, you want a polar and then I multiply by the common denominator on each side. These all go here. So you can show this if you want to. But if it just, basically what you're saying is the tops have to be the same. The numerators have to equal each other. So we have a plus 1, a minus 1, plus a squared minus 5 equals the numerator here. So once you have common denominators, the fractions go away to y. And you're left with a normal polynomial. Okay, that's a little bit more than normal. Because you have a lot of algebra to do, but you can now tackle it with things we've talked about the last 5 days. So goal, common denominator, eliminate denominator. And now we can start doing our output. This is stuff we already know. Oil, multiply it in, combine like terms, it becomes a cubic. Okay. Notice the difference in two squares. You boil that out, you can just write it. And then that one, you do the A to every term and the -1 to every term. You don't know how to do those. So wow. Yeah, well, yep, very well. Yep, so, you're in here. Okay, any others? Yep, combine those. We have a cubed plus a minus 2. And over here, can I say this is a cubed minus a? Okay with that? But a cubed plus a squared minus a minus 5. Combine like terms, so we get to do it again. Oh, thankfully. If I subtract a cubed from both sides, look what happens. I can't stop. 5. That makes it a lot easier. A squared will stay. I'm going to subtract a from both sides. I get minus 2a. You mean leave the a squared here with the rest to the right? You can't do that. So let me show you. I'm moving everything to the left. So I have a quadratic. And with this quadratic, I can factor that one, can I? So polynomials, you have to set them equal to 0 to solve them. Okay. I think this is what you're saying. Add a, so you get plus 2a, and then plus 2, and square root each side. Okay. Can you tell me what the square root of 2a plus 2 is? No, it's just craziness. Okay, good idea, but we want to avoid that, and telling you that every polynomial you solve needs to be setting it to 0. That's the way to do it. Okay, so no. What are the factors? A minus 3, a plus 1, and the zeros are 20 and 0. Oh, sorry if you can't see this. A equals 3 and whew, a lot of work for just a little bit. Yeah. This is only new stuff. This is it. Common denominator, eliminate denominator. The rest of this we've done. We've done. You're not 4 teacher rules. You have to get out of this. Okay, so find common denominator, eliminate denominator. Okay? And then solve the polynomial. Do you need to see another one? No. No. So who wants to see another one? Who's raising it? I will put the work up. If you want to see another one, watch. If not, I'll let you start. So I've given you six rationals to solve. The one I showed you just now is probably about as hard as it's going to get. Let me show you another one. We do like that one. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, here's another one that's and I'm leaving room again. Put my common denominators here. Yeah. Yeah, nice. This is a pretty good representative example of what you probably see on the class. I can factor this, right? So, fortunately for us, x minus 1 and x plus 4 occur in these other topics and these other denominators already. So, yeah. They don't bounce. I know it's dependent basketball season. So I just added an x minus 1 here to make this match. And I added the x plus 4 here to make that match. Not added, I multiplied it. Now the denominators follow it. So now the denominators can follow it. And I'll add as the numerators. You can see I did it right on this last one. I wrote this step to multiply it out, but you don't need to. There's your equation. So. Make sure that your work is organized, neat and clean, it will help. So I'm going to finish this. There you go. Any questions? Any of those things? Okay. You got 10 minutes, let me know if you have any questions. Okay.